Good morning to a very cold morning. It is very cold today and I will be going to school, well, the university, in this freezing cold weather. It is actually very cold. It's 5 degrees. I've not been in the cold in a long time because I broke my arm last winter, and well, so it's been a long time since I've been in the cold, and I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Give you a signal, naughty. Very naughty coach. But yes, today is a very, very cold morning and I'm late. That's never good. And there's usually traffic at this time, so let's see how it goes. And my hands are starting to feel cold. That is the thing I don't like about the cold. Finally. And well, while everything else is okay, cold hands is most certainly not. Because it affects my handling and my driving. Or riding in this case. Because, well, my body can shake, but if I can't feel my hands, and this has happened in the past before, I can't ride well. I remember in Turkey when I was, I had an R3 that had to get repaired, and it was about I'd say 15-kilometer ride to the shop. And I remember I had my bike there. I had a friend, a very close friend of mine, which actually taught me how to ride. Oh God, can I fit through there? I think I can. No, I can't. I mean, this is quite a nice advantage. I just hope somebody doesn't try and pull out and block me in. Oh God, it's tight, it's fit. Oh, go if you're gonna go. Right, I'll go then. And the guy doing the work, because it wasn't an official dealership, said that if I wanted the bike to be done by a certain date, he was gonna have to find me this piece, as they couldn't send it to him in time by cargo. And what happened was, I said okay, and me and my friend, we went back and forth 15 kilometers like 2-3 times in one day. And I remember it was absolutely freezing. My friend was on his GSR 600 and I had a friend's Bajaj bike, the Pulsar NS 200, and oh God, it was freezing. I remember when going there, like my hands, I remember not feeling them, like literally not feeling them, and just like holding my hand in the same place so that the throttle would stay the same. I know it's dangerous, but I mean, once I had to do something, I would, like braking, changing gears, etc. I'd get the strength to feel my hand, but it was certainly not nice. It was very, very cold, and I'm starting to get cold now. Oh, I hate the cold. I absolutely hate the cold. Make a right turn here. Legend. And that day is like PTSD for me, because like I said, I literally couldn't feel my hands, and that's what happens on bikes. I mean, I attempted to 2 years ago put a normal glove under my motorcycle glove, but that also didn't work, because then I felt my hands, but I couldn't feel what I was doing because the gloves were so thick. And I haven't exactly invested in winter gloves yet. I might do this winter. but it is certainly not nice. I mean, at least in the UK when it's summer you can ride happily with your jacket. In Turkey when it's 35-40 degrees you start to sweat a lot within the jacket. It is actually hell. And I'm just going to admit it, I didn't wear a jacket in the summers. I remember one time I had to go to somewhere on the motorway, and it was so hot that I just wanted to stay at a high speed. That's the little fucker that I told you about that almost dented my rims that I couldn't remember in the other video. Where's he going to turn? Ah, he's waiting for the bike, alright. And, well, I forgot what I was talking about now.
2 hours later.
Oh, there we go. And well, I was going and I was at 150 kilometers and I was still feeling hot heat up against my head and arms, and I was like, this isn't good. I'm gonna get burned. So I went even faster. I went 200. When going 200, I was still having hot heat rushed into my face. It was actually hell. It was terrible. That was a different type of hell though. And I admit it was better than a cold one. I'm not even gonna lie. It was much better than the cold one, but it was still very, very annoying. I think I topped out at 230 and I was feeling hot heat against my arms and my legs. Another time when I was on my 125, I went to our summer house, and it was a 3.5 hour drive. I mean, I went 120 kilometers stable, and by the time I was there, I realized because I had gone with short sleeves and not an appropriate jacket, and because there was wind, I didn't feel burning while in the wind. But the second I hopped off the bike, I almost died. I think I had to buy like 4 different creams that night. I couldn't go anywhere. I was extremely stiff. Like if I bent my arm, I would cry in pain. It was that bad. And this guy's extremely slow. Like, can I please pass you? Oh my god, I think I'm gonna pass him through here. God, that's annoying. But yeah, I think I'm good because I wore a lot of layers, which of course helps. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot. Please do leave feedback, as I do like to see where I can improve, and I like to improve in those specific bits.